Match 58 in 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
Qualification match 58 officially underway. We've got notes flying out of the stadium and into the stands, courtesy of Team Taters. Over on the Blue Alliance, they seem to be keeping all of their notes inside the stadium, making them count into the back of their speaker. We are 34-19 in favor of Blue, moving into our teleoperated period. Students are going to take control of their mighty machines. 75-58 heading on over to the Blue Alliance to try to retrieve one of those notes from the ground. Aligning themselves up as best they can. Are they going to the amp? Are they going to the speaker? We shall find out momentarily. Looks like their note might be stuck in their intake, and they're going to try to shake it on out. Over on the Red Alliance side of the field, 245 lining themselves up into the speaker. One goes in, one goes out. With their intake face, they go up and off the backboard. They'll get their rebound eventually as their partner, 21-22 Team Taters again, launching another note outside the field. We've got a little bit of a splash zone in the front row of the stands. Heads up for some notes. 94-62 Tophers Titans over on the Blue Alliance side of the field and hoping to retrieve a couple Red Alliance notes. They're currently amplified. Let's see if the Atom bots can make the most of it. 21-22 has a note in tow, but can they make their way on over? Blue Alliance maintains a slight lead of 42-30 as we move into our final minute of play. 15-40 lining themselves on up against the Blue Alliance stage a little bit early, but they're getting ready to rock and roll. We've got two robots apiece, or two robots on either side of this alliance, lining themselves up before the end game with 45 seconds left to go. Blue Alliance 54-84, the Wolfpack dance in circles around the center of the field the best they can, trying to make their way over. 75-58 trying to slow down the Red Alliance as well as they head through the middle of the stage. Red Alliance is currently amplified. They're going to try to narrow that gap between the two. We are down to 50-41. 21-22 Team Taters has trapped and climbed onto their chain. 15-40 for Blue, trying to do the same. Let's see if the human players can change the game as they go to spotlight some of their notes. We got one on for the Red Alliance. We got one on for Blue. We got a second one on for the Red Alliance. A very good job to those human players as time expires. We've got a couple of robots up in the air, a couple of spotlights, taking the win with a score of 58-53. Blue Alliance walking home with 2 ranking points. Red Alliance still walking home with 1 for the ensemble. We'll be back in just a moment for match number 59.